Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to link page to menu, how to add page to menu, how to show your menu, how to edit the menu. All the stuff you will be able to learn it from this video, guys. So now, without any further talk, let's start our tutorial by going to this dashboard and opening our website dashboard. For those who doesn't know how to open it, you can go ahead and write in the URL wordpress.com/wp admin. The page will be looking something like that at the beginning. What you will have to do is use your username and password. Of course, here some of you guys ask me why we don't have to create an account. Basically, you don't create an account in the dashboard, but you create an account in the WordPress website. So make sure to watch other videos of mine. I explained everything about that. So now we have this page in here. What you will have to do is go to for example, pages. Let's add a page first and let's click on add new. Okay, let's name it something like YouTube, hi YouTube, and let's publish this page. Now there is two ways to add it actually to our menu. The first one, which is going to our website, clicking on customize and add it to the menu from here. I think the menu called our main menu. Okay, so our main menu is I don't know which one is the main menu. I think it's this one. So yeah, it is already added to it. We can actually create a new page from here and add it to it as well. Hi YouTube 2, and here is added normally. Let's remove this. Remove. I will remove even these two and click on publish. And now I will make it primary, and here we go. Now it is the hi YouTube 2 front page, hi YouTube landing page, and other stuff in here. Now you can add it also by going to other places like your dashboard, and from here you go to appearance and menu and you do the same thing that we've done before. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.